Understanding a Romantic at Heart. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful English phrase that you might have heard, a romantic at heart. This phrase holds a special meaning and can add a lovely touch to your English conversations. Let's explore what it means to be a romantic at heart and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. Being a romantic at heart refers to someone who deeply cherishes and values romantic ideas, actions, and gestures, even if they might not always show it openly. It's about having a deep-seated love for romance and the ideals associated with it, like true love, chivalry, and the beauty of deep emotional connections. This phrase paints a picture of someone who believes in the power of love, often dreaming about or aspiring for those fairy tale moments in real life. Let's look at some examples to better understand this phrase. Imagining fairy tale moments. Someone who daydreams about grand romantic gestures or finding their happily ever after. Appreciating small gestures. Finding deep joy in small acts of love and kindness, such as handwritten notes or surprise gifts. Loving romantic stories. Enjoying movies, books, and songs that revolve around romantic themes, and getting emotionally invested in them. You can use a romantic at heart in various contexts. Describing someone, despite his tough exterior, he's really a romantic at heart. Self-description. I've always been a romantic at heart, cherishing the idea of true love. In creative writing, use it to add depth to characters in stories or poems. We hope this video has helped you grasp the essence of being a romantic at heart. It's a beautiful phrase that captures the love and longing for deep, meaningful connections. Whether you're describing yourself, someone you know, or a character in a story, remember that being a romantic at heart is all about cherishing the beauty of love and romance in all its forms. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.